Hello student, welcome back to my YouTube channel English Knowledge Farmer. Today is a video of benefits of English language. As you know that English is an international language, but there are a lots of thousands of benefits of English language. So we are discuss every benefits of English language in this video. So let's start our video. There are some contents: introduction, access to global warming, wider career opportunities, easy to communicate. So we are discuss firstly the benefits is introduction, wider career opportunities. We are talking with English easily when we go to abroad, where we go, somebody go for learning, somebody go for visiting. So English is useful for that things here. Next is this: English are very benefits for wider career opportunities. What's mean that somebody learn English, somebody speak English. As in now that we go to Dubai, we go to another place. As I say, there is a English uses. English is used for many things. We can write letter, we can write anything in English, we can speak with Arabic, we can speak with American and from English. So English is also important for this. Access to global information. As we know that English is also important for access of global communication. What mean that somebody do online work, somebody face the problem. So in online work there is a client which are talking with in English. So it's also help to couch client easily from America or etc. We use unique word to get the client, we use unique vocabulary for get the client. So there are a lots of benefits of English. Easy to communicate. So there, if client is in English, so we can easy to communicate. If we know about English, we can easily communicate with client and we can easily couch that. So there are lots of benefits of English. So we can learn English because it's very benefit. English, by having good English skills, individual can open door to new opportunities, explore the wider world, and building a store relationship with people from various background. As you know that, as you see this line, we can get the talent to learn English, to speak English. So if you make a English speaker, you can work hard, you can learn vocabulary.